in about, well, now it's, what time is it? 10 Sabibity. It's Friday. I haven't left the house since, well, I mean a few times since March. Here's the thing. We're going to Wonderbleed this. I am procrastinating the Jelly Belly heat thing. Like, I'm internalizing that one. So this was one of my, I'm not gonna lie, one of my many 11 o'clock at night QVC purchases. And, you know, if they didn't put that button on the remote, you don't have to move. You don't have to use your phone. You just hit the button and you can order things. And frankly, when Sean is on and she does these things, I'm like, done and done. Boop. So I got this. And then when it arrives in the mail, you're like, well, Sean didn't come in the mail. No matter. So, yeah, I shamefully put this in the drawer of, well, isn't that innovative? Bless their heart. I'll try this someday. Such a liar, such a liar. So, I'm not scared, but sort of. So, I'm like, I just like, I did the makeup wipe with the bamboo. Hurts on the lips too. So if you're thinking about like, ooh, Sephora, get those bamboo wipes. You should, because they're heinous. Okay. So I watched a couple of videos and there was a lot of this. I don't know why there's a lot of that. Usually, like with mascara, they're like, don't do that. But in every video I saw, they're like, okay. And then they're like, put like 3 coats on. Like, get it good. And then I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. So it's going to look blue. A little weird. But I kind of like the blue. Only if you're going to like Crowbar circa 1990. 2, 3, 4. And then, but you spray this on your mouth with your mouth closed. I watched that carefully. You close your mouth. Or not tight. But so, and then you peel off the blue and then you're like, oh my God, look, I'm magic. Okay, we're doing it. See, it's just like, I gotta do this again. All right. We're gonna put a lot of coats on right now. I'm using this as a mirror. I'm sorry. They said, why is it tingling? Okay, that's fine. Okay. See, I put on lipstick. Okay. Wait, are you supposed to do that flap? Oh, crap. There's tingling. Okay. This is not how it looked on the QVC. Oh, shit. Sorry. Okay. I feel like I'm not doing good. But could... Okay. Maybe I gotta do this. Okay. It's not good. It's not good. I am trying so hard. Okay. No. Okay. Oh my God, this is a disaster. Except. Okay. No. Okay. Oh my God. Stevie, you want to do this?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Hey, look though.
Huh?
Don't I look like anime?
No, I don't wear lipstick.
Yes, I do.
Not really.
Joey Tribbiani did.
No.
Oh my God. I can't not touch. Okay. All right. They said like 8,000 All right. I can get right. Okay. Yeah, I just. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. There's so much, see, this has got to be bad. Tingling. What is happening? And then, like, wait 45 seconds. But you saw, like, things underneath. But still, like, look at me. I'm up in the club. Wait, let me fix my hair. Hey, bouncer, you going to let me in the front of the line? Yes. Okay, I feel it drying, but there was tingling, and it kind of scared me. So, I'm going to shake this. It didn't say shake it. Dry. Apparently, once I squirt this, once I spray this on my lips, then I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to peel the blue off. And then I will have the best lips, like red lips in the world. That is the idea. Sean did this so great on QVC. None of what I just did. I'm glad I took it out of the drawer, though, for you. All right. Fine. All right. Has it been 45 seconds? All right. So everybody in the videos, like, did not have their mouth open. Wait, they also did this. Okay. Apparently, this is magic. This is magic. You ready? I could not do this in the mornings at all. Especially before coffee. Okay. Sprayed the juice. Oh. Sorry, I got the juice in my mouth. Oh, wait. Okay. Because I gotta. Okay, wait. They say you can wipe it too. Okay, what the hell's. Oh, Jesus. Don't get it in your mouth. Don't get it in your mouth. Wait. Well, okay. Some of it. Oh. Well, it's supposed to be like, look, I'm ready to go out for 10 hours of... I feel like my friends would be like, did you just drink red Kool-Aid? I can still taste it, though. Oh, it's very not good in the taste. Oh, every time I lick my... Okay. I did it. I might regret it a little bit, And I don't see myself doing this. Wait, does it come off now? Oh, well, it doesn't. Let's see how long it looks like I've had cherry Kool-Aid. But I can still, I taste it. But I feel like there's potential if I could get it right and not get it in my mouth. It's terrible. Don't get it in your mouth. It's like those cartridges that they don't want babies to eat. Well, this has been a fun quarantine. Oh my God. How do I get the taste out of my mouth? All right, I'm going to go do something. Thanks for helping me overcome my fear of crap that I buy on QVC at 11 o'clock at night. What up, Kyle? I'm glad you got to witness it. Holla.